synthesis and cell division. Despite its importance, zinc deficiency is surprisingly common, often leading to a cascade of health issues. Incorporating zinc-rich foods into your daily diet is a crucial step towards optimal health and well-being. This article delves into the significance of zinc, explores a wide array of zinc-rich foods, and provides practical tips for maximizing zinc absorption. The indispensable role of zinc in human health. Zinc acts as a cofactor for over 300 enzymes, making it a key player in countless biochemical reactions. Its contributions to human health include immune function. Zinc is crucial for the development and function of immune cells. It helps maintain the integrity of the skin and mucous membranes, which act as barriers against pathogens. Adequate zinc levels are essential for T-cell function, which plays a vital role in fighting infections. Wound healing. Zinc is involved in collagen synthesis, cell proliferation, and immune response, all of which are essential for wound repair. DNA synthesis and cell division. Zinc is required for DNA replication and cell growth, making it particularly important during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy, infancy, and adolescence. Taste and smell. Zinc contributes to the proper functioning of taste and smell receptors. A deficiency can lead to a diminished sense of taste, hypogeusia, and smell, hyposmia. Cognitive function. Zinc plays a role in neurotransmission and brain function. It is involved in memory, learning, and mood regulation. Reproductive health. Zinc is essential for male reproductive health, contributing to sperm production and testosterone levels. In women, it plays a role in ovulation and fertility. Antioxidant activity. Zinc acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Identifying zinc deficiency. Zinc deficiency can manifest in a variety of symptoms, including frequent infections, slow wound healing, loss of appetite, impaired taste and smell, hair loss, skin problems, such as acne and eczema, diarrhea, growth retardation in children, cognitive impairment. Individuals at higher risk of zinc deficiency include vegetarians and vegans, pregnant and lactating women, people with digestive disorders, and those with chronic diseases. Unveiling the treasure trove of zinc-rich foods. To ensure adequate zinc intake, incorporating a diverse range of zinc-rich foods into your diet is essential. Here's a comprehensive list. Oysters. Oysters are the undisputed king of zinc-rich foods, boasting an impressive concentration. Just a few oysters can meet your daily zinc requirements. Red meat. Beef, lamb, and pork are excellent sources of zinc. Lean cuts are preferable to minimize saturated fat intake. Poultry. Chicken and turkey provide a good source of zinc, particularly dark meat. Seafood. Crab, lobster, and shrimp are rich in zinc and other essential nutrients. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas contain moderate amounts of zinc. Soaking and sprouting legumes can improve zinc bioavailability. Nuts and seeds. Cashews, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds are good sources of zinc. Whole grains. Whole wheat bread, brown rice, and oats contain zinc, although the bioavailability is lower due to the presence of phytates. Dairy products. Milk, yogurt, and cheese provide zinc, along with calcium and other essential nutrients. Fortified foods. Some breakfast cereals and other processed foods are fortified with zinc. Check the nutrition label to identify fortified options. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content contains a significant amount of zinc, along with antioxidants. Maximizing zinc absorption. Several factors can influence zinc absorption. Here are some tips to enhance your body's ability to utilize zinc. Dietary factors. Phytates. Phytates, found in grains, legumes, and nuts, can inhibit zinc absorption. Soaking, sprouting, and fermenting these foods can reduce phytate content. Calcium. High calcium intake can interfere with zinc absorption. Consume calcium-rich foods at different meals than zinc-rich foods. Iron. High iron intake can also hinder zinc absorption. Separate iron and zinc supplements or foods. Protein. Protein can enhance zinc absorption, especially from plant-based sources. Combining zinc-rich plant foods with protein sources can improve bioavailability. Supplementation. If you suspect a zinc deficiency, consult a healthcare professional before taking zinc supplements. Zinc supplements are available in various forms, including zinc gluconate, zinc sulfate, and zinc picolinate. Take zinc supplements with food to minimize stomach upset. Excessive zinc supplementation can lead to copper deficiency, so it's important to adhere to recommended dosages. Cooking methods. Cooking can slightly reduce the zinc content of some foods, but it generally doesn't have a significant impact. Avoid cooking foods in acidic environments, as this can leach zinc. A sample zinc-rich meal plan. Here's a sample meal plan that incorporates a variety of zinc-rich foods. Breakfast. Oatmeal with almonds and pumpkin seeds, topped with a dollop of yogurt. Lunch. Lentil soup with whole wheat bread and a side salad. Snack. A handful of cashews and a few squares of dark chocolate. Dinner. Grilled chicken breast with brown rice and steamed vegetables. Dessert. A small serving of fruit. Conclusion. Embracing a zinc-rich lifestyle. Zinc is an indispensable mineral that supports numerous physiological functions. By incorporating a diverse range of zinc-rich foods into your daily diet, you can ensure adequate zinc intake and promote optimal health and well-being. Remember to consider dietary factors that can influence zinc absorption and consult a healthcare professional if you suspect a deficiency. By embracing a zinc-rich lifestyle, you can unlock the full potential of this essential mineral and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life.